welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Khadija and today's video is going to be another luxury unboxing from Louis Vuitton. I do also have a giveaway in this video, so make sure you guys watch till the end to know how to enter. But the bag is from Coey Bags and I decided to get a Louis Vuitton bag this time. And I'm super excited to show you guys because this bag is so cute. In the box we have the dust bag, and the bag I decided to get is this Louis Vuitton Nano Speedy in this beautiful patent leather pink color. I am obsessed with this bag, you guys. This is the cutest bag I've ever seen. She's adorable. This bag was released for Valentine's Day, so I'm super happy that I got my hands on this. It has been on my wish list for some time now, and this bag is just everything. I absolutely love the patent leather detail on this bag. I think it looks so good. This shade of pink is so nice. I love it. This bag does have the vachetta leather handles, and this bag also has a crossbody strap that is detachable. I know my other Nano Speedy strap isn't detachable, so this is really nice. This is also an adjustable strap, which is really cool. So this is what the bag looks like with the straps attached. Super nice. The strap is adjustable, like I said, and this is what it looks like on me. Another really cute detail on this bag is this heart charm that says LV. We have the Louis Vuitton Made in France stamp right there. So although the Nano Speedy is tiny, it does hold a lot. It does also fit my iPhone, which is nice. So the quality of this bag is absolutely amazing. I'm curious to see how this vachetta is going to look when it does change color, because I know that has been a concern with a lot of people regarding this bag, because the vachetta does turn into a darker brown. But I think this bag is so nice and I love it. I highly recommend. God willing, I will have a daughter one day and I can give this to her. It's just the cutest bag. So I wanted to show you guys all the Nano Speedies I have in my collection. So this was my first Nano Speedy. This is actually like probably one of the first designer bags that I received. I love her. I used to wear her like every day, but I haven't really touched her a lot since. But as you guys can see, the patina on the handles are like this nice golden brown color. Really cute. I do also have my denim Nano Speedy. I was obsessed with this bag when it came out. I'm so happy that I got it. It is so cute. I like to wear this more in the summertime. And now we have my patent Nano Speedy. So I just think this is like such a cute collection. I love it. Okay, so we have reached the end of my review on this bag. So I did say that I have a giveaway for you guys. So I'm going to actually give you guys one of your own pink Nano Speedies. So I did partner up with another seller to get you guys one of your own. So this bag is from Pick Bags, and they were kind enough to give me another Nano Speedy so I can give it to one of you guys. So all you guys have to do to enter this giveaway is be subscribed to my YouTube channel, follow my bag Instagram account, bonus if you follow my personal account as well, and just show love on my videos that I will be posting this month. So at the end of July, I will be choosing one lucky subscriber to win this bag. And that's it. I don't have a specific thing that you guys need to comment on my videos. Just show love and I will pick one of you guys to win this bag. As you guys can see, brand new, hasn't been worn or touched. So if you guys want to win this bag, do all those things. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys comment, like, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.